Welcome. Today we're diving into Planner 5D, an intuitive and easy to use home design software. Whether you're a professional interior designer or you simply want to redesign your own living space, Planner 5D can be a fantastic tool. It allows you to create detailed 2D floor plans, 3D models, and even realistic interior and exterior designs. You can experiment with furniture placement, color schemes, and much more. Planner 5D has a rich set of features. It has an extensive catalog of over 5,000 items, including furniture, fixtures, and decor. You can easily drag and drop these items into your design. The software also supports both 2D and 3D modes, allowing you to switch between them seamlessly. Additionally, you can create photorealistic images with HD visualization. Not to mention, Planner 5D has a user-friendly interface and it's available on multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, and web. Planner 5D is freemium software. The free version offers a limited catalog and basic features. For access to the full catalog and advanced features, you can opt for a premium subscription. The premium version costs $6.99 per month or $19.99 for a full year. There's also a lifetime access option for $24.99. Keep in mind that pricing may vary depending on your region and the platform you're using. Planner 5D is ideal for a variety of use cases. It's perfect for professional interior designers who need to create detailed plans and realistic 3D models for their clients. Homeowners can use it to visualize potential home improvements or renovations. Moreover, real estate agents can use Planner 5D to create appealing property presentations. Even students studying architecture or interior design will find it useful for their projects. Planner 5D has several advantages. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to users of all skill levels. The extensive catalog allows for great customization. The ability to switch between 2D and 3D modes helps you visualize your designs in different ways. Its cross-platform availability means you can work on your designs from almost anywhere. Lastly, the realistic HD visualization can impress clients and help you make more informed design decisions. Despite its advantages, Planner 5D has some limitations. The free version is quite limited, and most users will need to upgrade to access the full features. It doesn't support real-time collaboration, which can be a drawback for teams. Also, while the software is generally user-friendly, some users have reported a steep learning curve. Lastly, the rendering of 3D models can be slow, especially on older devices. Planner 5D is a versatile home design software with an extensive catalog and user-friendly interface. It's ideal for a variety of users, from professionals to homeowners. While it has some limitations, such as the lack of real-time collaboration and potentially slow rendering, its advantages generally outweigh these. The pricing is reasonable, with options to suit different budgets. In conclusion, Planner 5D is a robust tool for home design that offers great value for its price. Its user-friendly interface, extensive catalog, and high-quality visualization make it a standout choice in the market. While it has some limitations, these are minor compared to the overall benefits it provides. Whether you're a professional or just someone looking to redesign your home, Planner 5D is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching this analysis of Planner 5D. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive tech analysis. See you in the next video.